Alright, this is us going outside. Into the darkness, well, the lightness. Alright, Rocks. Oh shit! Oh, I got all of my... Look at Roxy finds the only...
Invisible remains of a wooden stick.
Yeah, really. Cannot see my feet. Now Josh has shoveled, what is this, the 4th time?
Yes.
The 4th time he has shoveled.
With no help?
Yes, with no help. Because I do everything else so he can shovel some snow. I'm not even going to feel bad about it. Our one garbage can is damn near buried. It blew over last night. Why bother picking it up? I would say that's probably almost 3 feet high. If not more. We'll go out front. This is for everybody. Keep on asking me how much damn snow we got. How much do you think we got? We got a lot. Oh, the plows came finally. It's almost 1 o'clock. Oh, Jesus Christ. There's a lot of snow. And my feet buried. I would say it's definitely 2 to 3 feet. The woods by our house. This is our house. That's Josh. Oh, Jesus, the snow's coming down fast. I don't know if you can see it on the video. Oh, I got some. Woohoo! Man, they're about to go have some fun. That's how you have to travel out here in Hobart, Indiana. I'm actually in the street, which was covered with, I would say, what would you say, about 1.5 feet, almost 2 feet of snow this morning? I'm trying to do commentary.
About a good foot.
Yeah, a foot, 1.5 feet. Oh, look at the rocks. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, go on, go on, go on. Alright, I think I only have a minute left to record. Go, 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 go get him, go get him, go get him. Look at the Roxy rocks. Look at all that snow. There's a lot of snow. Get some muscle on them. Oh damn, that is a lot of snow. Yeah, the plow trucks just came so they compact it, you know. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but it's actually coming down pretty hard. There's a little guy with his automatic plower. Alright, got about 10 seconds left. Hurry, hurry, we're against the race. Hurry, hurry, I want you to finish. Oh my God, I got 2 seconds. 1, 2,